Avoid manual cleaning defects and improve cleaning efficiency. Avoid the heat spot effect. Protection solar equipment. Autonomous barrier crossing, a gap bridging scheme. Strongest green with AI technology. Over 10 years design life, perpetual free after sale. The intelligent cloud platform can monitor 100 devices simultaneously. Spot turn and one-button control. Light, flexible and small, and quick replacement parts. Switch between dry and wet convenient. Extra large battery capacity, carefree endurance. Super fast charge and industrial grade waterproof design.